The morning has arrived. The sun has risen. I pray you have rise up with the sun. And today's I am came from the comments. It says, I am protecting my peace. I am protecting my peace. I am dancing on the inside. Please protect your peace at all cost. Protect your peace. I know a lot of people don't like to use black eyeshadow. Not that they don't like it, they're just afraid that they'll make a mess with it. I'm going to create a black eyeshadow look so you can see how to control your black eyeshadow makeup look. We start now. I'm using a small brush from e.l.f. I am going into my singles. In here I have a black single from Nomad Cosmetics. I'm going to use that today. It has been raining here. I'm going to start in the crease and on the lids first. I don't want to go too far up the crease, so that's why I have a very small brush to lay down the color. We have been having rain every afternoon or every morning since September started. This is Florida and this is our rainy hurricane time of year. Very detailed. I like to use black. Black balances your eye color. You can make smoky eye looks. You can use just a tad bit just to change a look. So do not be afraid to use black eyeshadow. You see, I'm using the smallest eyeshadow I think I have, other than a pencil brush. And I'm just detailing where I need it. I don't want it anywhere else but the crease, a little above the crease because I have hooded eyes, and on the lids. You see it? I don't want it too far up. Now I have to do the other one and gauge it because one eye is puffier than the other. So I have to make them look close. You know what I mean? So let's do that. Today's I am is I protect my peace. It is so important in this day and age to protect your peace. If you click on something that is disturbing your spirit, your soul, your mind, your mood, please click off. Do not watch it. Do not read it. Because once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Once you read it, you cannot unread it. So if once you click and you are watching it and you realize, you know what, this don't sit well with me, protect your peace and get out of it. It's just like people. You meet people, you talk to people, and you start feeling a bad vibes every time you meet that person. Try to meet that person less because it is disturbing your peace. You see what I mean? With the puffiness, one always look higher, so I'm just fixing it. Now I'm just leaving my eyes relaxed and I am just going to dab right on the flab and the folded skin because I don't want it too high. I just want it just where I can see it. But your peace of mind is so important. Your peace of mind is important to your health. You might not think so, but it is. Because when you're stressed, your high blood pressure changes, your whole heartbeat change, your body change. It changes your mood. It changes how you think at the time. So that is why you have to protect your peace of mind. Now you see where I'm going with this? Above the fold. When you look at me, you can see the difference, right? We're doing this slowly, step by step, with a small brush. If you have a pencil brush, you can use it also. But I'm leaving my eyes relaxed now because I want to make them close together. Always remember self. Self is first. I love to tell you that because it is true. When we don't take care of ourselves, our body suffer, our mind suffer, and our health declines. You might not be sick, but the minute you start neglecting self, the mind and the body will start suffering. Do not make yourself less than others. Do not shrink yourself. You belong, you are enough, you are important. Don't think the next person is better than you or have it all put together. I don't have everything put together. Some days I have to figure it out just like everybody else. Now I have the black where I want it. I don't want to go too high. So I now have a fluffy brush and I'm just going to go to the edge and just sweep it so I can have it a little smoother. That's how you control black eyeshadow. You make sure you start with little bit at a time. Spread it as much as you want so it doesn't look too dark, but controlling it is what you need to do. Not to be afraid of it or don't use it, but to control it. Please remember to share this video with someone else. Please remember to hype this video. I am thankful for everyone who watches a playlist. You just have to put it to run. You don't have to comment. Just put a playlist on and do what you're doing and let it play. That helps a lot. I am thankful every single time I get your comments, your views, and that I appreciate a lot. So now I have shared it out. You see the edges? I share the edges out. I don't want it any higher than this. And this is how I control my black eyeshadow. I'm going to dress this up and you'll see the finishing touches in a few minutes. Today's black eyeshadow look. Do not be afraid to use black eyeshadow if you do it this way. This is the correct way to do your black eyeshadow. So it doesn't get away from you and it doesn't get too dark and then you're afraid or you look like raccoon eyes. Simple, easy black eyeshadow look. Today's lip combo is Revlon Red Glossy Lip with my LA Girl red pencil. I don't think they're making this anymore. And what is keeping my brows intact lately is my NYX Brow Glue. I have this for a while. I use it on and off. I notice every time I use it, my brows looks better because I'm not a brow person. But when I use this, it looks better. This is working. This is it. See? Remember today's item. I protect my peace until I see you and you see me. Protect your peace at all costs. If it doesn't feel right, seem right, or look right, click away, walk away from it. I appreciate you kindly for watching all my videos. I will see you shortly. Bye.